For our coffee brewing basics, number 4 is get good coffee brewing gear. The AeroPress is about as simple and high quality as you can get for a coffee brewer. The AeroPress was invented in 2005 and has since taken on a life of its own, including the World AeroPress Championship. How do you brew coffee with this thing? That's what I'm here to talk about today. My name is Eric. This is the Mug Life. I didn't choose the Mug Life chose me. This is an AeroPress. It's one of my favorite ways to make a single cup of coffee. It is portable, it doesn't break, it's light. I take it with me camping all the time. It is wildly popular at home, at work, outdoors, dorm rooms. In fact, so popular that there is truly a World AeroPress Championship. That's right, if you practice really, really hard, you too can be a World AeroPress champion. It's actually a pretty prestigious award for people. There are lots of ways to brew with the AeroPress. We'll show you a couple of methods over the next couple of videos. This time, however, we're just going to do the super basic, pretty much by the book recipe. I am using 20 grams of coffee, or about 3 scoops. I've ground it pretty fine. It's between a 10 and a 15 on my Baratza Virtuoso. What I want to do is put one of the paper filters in this paper filter holder and attach it to the bottom of the AeroPress. And I'm going to put the AeroPress without the plunger in it in my firm mug, not a paper cup. Then I can use the funnel to pour the grounds and make sure I don't spill them while pouring them into the AeroPress. And then you can fill the AeroPress up to the number 4 on the outside with hot water. Once you've put the water in, you can give it a little stir with this stir stick, stir thingy. I guess you could use a spoon. Nobody's stopping you. There's no AeroPress police. Although now that I think about it, band name, I called it. And then I'm going to put the plunger gently in the AeroPress. Do not push down yet. This creates a vacuum in here that will prevent the coffee from going through the filter. You can see there's not that many drips coming through the filter yet. Let the coffee sit for about 30 to 45 seconds. Once that's done, push the plunger down. Remember I said a sturdy mug, not a paper cup. It should take between 20 and 30 seconds to completely push the plunger all the way down to the bottom. Once you've got it all the way down to the bottom, you can hear the little hiss. There you go, AeroPress coffee. One thing some people like to add a little bit of water to their AeroPress to make kind of an AeroPress Americano. And the other thing, last thing, is cleanup of this thing. Super easy, just remove the filter, pop that puck into the garbage, and there you go. Thanks for watching. If you have an AeroPress, I'd love to know your favorite AeroPress recipe down in the comments below. If this was helpful, please hit up that subscribe button, and above all, keep serving coffee that people love.